Wouldn't it be great to save some money on our Brazoria County property taxes? Well, I'm going to show you how to do that, and I'm going to show you exactly how to file them as well. I'm Grant Rothberg with Rothberg Realty Group here at Keller Williams Preferred. I've lived in the area forever, lead one of the top teams, and we've valued millions and millions of dollars worth of property for our clients as a courtesy. I'm going to walk you through the process here on how to do this with Brazoria County. Also then show you a little simple tool that we made to help you put together a packet that absolutely no cost is going to help you win this thing. The $1,000,000 question, how do you actually protest your Brazoria County taxes? Really easy. You're going to go to the BCAD website. This is brazoriacad.org right here. And then you're going to go to online protest. They have the big old button up here. You're going to click on this button. It's going to load this up here. You're going to put in your email and your password if you've got an account set up. So there's mine. And then if you don't have one, you'll just click on the sign up button here. So what that looks like, if you go to sign up, it's going to ask for your owner ID and your e-file PIN. Those both appear on the notice that you received from the county in the mail. But what if you don't have that? If for some reason those are missing, you never received the letter, or you misplaced it, you're just going to go here again to the Brazoria County website. You're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and here they have their contact information. They have their phone number, and they have their email address. This is monitored, and you're just going to tell them that you lost your stuff and you need that information. Key is you got to make sure you get this in pretty quickly because the deadline to file your protest is May 15th. And unless it's printed otherwise on your notice or you received your notice later, it was sent later, but assume it's May 15th to be safe. Get that in early enough, this request in for your account to be able to do the online protest. Now, if you want to get a free copy of an appraisal packet like this that we put together for you using the county's actual evidence, just follow the link down here below and we'll take care of that for you. It's just rothbergrealtygroup.com/protest. Super easy. But what if for some reason you don't have time to get the stuff set up online? You can still send this in by going up here to the forms button. Click on this, or you can use the link that's in the email that I send out for the property tax form and for the property tax protest search that we do. And right here, you've got a bunch of different exemption things to file. And here's the protest forms. They have this notice to protest right here. That's the one that you want. They also have some information here about how the whole protest process works. And this is good. It's from the horse's mouth. But you just need to click on this one and you'll fill this form out. For most people, you're just going to put in your name, your information. You'll put Brazoria County up here. You can ignore the district number here. You don't need that necessarily. You'll put the tax year this is for. This would be for 2026, of course. Address of your property. And then what you're usually going to be checking is this first box right here that says incorrect appraised value or unequal compared to other properties. That's for the vast majority of them because that's where you're going to put in information about like condition being wrong. If you have sales data or if you have the information from the county about how they've appraised other houses, this would all fit underneath here. And you're going to put your number of what you think the house should be appraised for, any reasons why. You're going to select the hearing type, and you want to say yes to an informal conference. If you do this online, they're going to send you an e-settlement, like an electronic proposal to just do all this extra informally. But if you do go forward to meet with someone, this would be an informal one where it's just like you and another person at the office, down at the county office, discussing what you think the number should be. You'll present your evidence, they'll present theirs, and like 90% of the time, they're going to agree with something and give you some sort of reduction. If that doesn't work, the rest of this goes to, well, what happens then? And that's when we could say, I want to have a single member or a regular panel of 3 people or more. Totally up to you how you want to do that, and then what you want to do if you want that to be in person, over the phone, whatever. Just know that odds are you're never going to get to this step. It'll never get there. It's going to be electronic with a file thing where they give you a settlement, or it's going to be an informal conference with just one appraiser. Here you ask for how you want your notice to be delivered if they do schedule a hearing date for you. You're going to go to Section 7. Here you're going to sign, and that's it. Super easy to do. I would just watch to make sure you get this done. Again, no later than May 15th because that is your hard deadline with it, unless they sent you your statement later, in which case it would be 30 days after they sent you a copy of the notice. And remember, if you want some free help with an evidence packet like this, we put together for you at absolutely no cost. Just click the link down below here in the description. It's rothbergrealtygroup.com/protest, and we'll put this together for you at no cost. You'll have it in your inbox in a couple minutes. So that's it. Hopefully this helps, and go save some money.